How to fix BeReal login issue. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix BeReal login issues. So what here you want to do is to fix a BeReal login issue, you want to start by checking your internet. That means what you want to do is here you just want to go ahead and open your BeReal app onto your device, after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and check your internet connection. So for that, head over to your settings on your device, locate network and internet from the list. Over here you want to make sure that you have connected to a stable internet that should also be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you could try updating your app as well. Head over to your respective app store, and once you go to the App Store section, you then need to go ahead and select the search bar and type in BeReal and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as well. And likewise, other than that, what you also want to do is, if the issue still persists on, go to settings on your device once again, locate apps from the list and select see all apps. Once you do this, here you're going to actually fix it. So, and that's how you're going to fix BeReal login issues. So that's the thing. You could just clear your cache and storage, and that's the thing you're going to do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.